The US Army invaded Venezuela yesterday and they arrested Nicolas Maduro and flown him out of the country to the United States along with his wife, where he would face charges of narco-terrorism and drug trafficking, which he was indicted of in 2020 in the Southern District Court of New York. He would face charges of drug trafficking. Venezuela is a small country in South America which has a population of about 30 million. And Donald Trump's administration says that Nicolas Maduro, the Venezuela under the leadership of Nicolas Maduro has been serving as a transit route or a transit hub for the drugs that are being trafficked into the United States. They say he was serving as some kind of a kingpin to these drug cartels, therefore he needs to be taken out. But it does not look about drugs. It is about, as it looks, it is about United States' favorite commodity in the world, the oil. Because Venezuela has the largest proven oil reserve in the world. About 20% of the oil which is found in the world is present in Venezuela. And in 1920, when most of the oil reserves of Venezuela were discovered, the United States and its private companies started investing heavily in these oil processing, oil extracting, oil refining infrastructure. They have invested billions of dollars in this infrastructure, and they made a lot of money from them. And in 1976, the then president of Venezuela nationalized these oil reserves. That means the oil reserves now belong to the Venezuelan government, and the United States government and through its oil companies lost a lot of money because of their heavy investment in these oil reserves and their processing. Therefore, United States government started sanctioning Venezuela, and it has sparked a decades-long political and economic tensions between the two countries. Now, since Nicolas Maduro has been taken out, he has been flown out of the country to the United States. Now the US government will run Venezuela, and by controlling the Venezuela, they would control the oil reserves of Venezuela. So it would give them a leverage in the international oil market. So that was this all about. It was not about drugs. It is what it has always been about, the dollars.